Good evening. Tonight we're going to be turning this bolt action kit from PSI, and it's made with olive wood. Join me. Look at the grain on this olive wood. We'll hit it with some denatured alcohol to clean the dust out of the blank. So let's hit it and let's see what it looks like. Wow, that's just beautiful. It's even got a little bit of figuring in it, like a curliness. Let's continue to... We went through from 1500 all the way to 12,000 with micro mesh. Then we used the Hut Ultra Gloss polish. Now we're going to be using a little trick I've learned, little McGuire's car polish. This is going to make it stand out and shine a whole lot more. I've already turned the orientation of the bolt handle. There's a screw inside the middle. It's a little small Phillips head. Just back it off and the handle flips around. Yeah, it kind of gives it more of an actual feel of a bolt action. Then all you do is twist the cap. There's two positions, one notch here, one notch on this side. Just twist it around, unscrew it, untwist your clip around, and tighten it back down. And I'm looking, I don't really see a very odd spot, so we're just gonna put it here, and I guess right here in the middle. It's great all the way around. Thank you for joining me this evening as we turned this pin and assembled it. Once we turned the pin and got it going like we wanted it, I noticed the blank actually had a little bit of, I guess, a curly pattern in it. Well, it's just, I'm going to see if you can catch it on camera here. Give me just a second. You can see a little bit of it right in there. Just absolutely beautiful blank of olive wood. Well, thank you for joining me this evening, and y'all have a great evening.